Good morning children, welcome to Max class. Today's Max class is the continuation of the previous Max class. In exercise 2.6, already we have done first 4 sums. Today we are going to see the next sum. Now fifth sum, create word problem for the addition facts given below. First sum, numbers they have given, we have to create the word problems. So you have to try to create the word problems with your own sentences. Okay. Second sum, 8309 equal to 2309 plus dash. So in this dash, what number will come? We have to find out. So when we add these two numbers, we will get this answer. But this one number is missing. We want to find out that missing number. How do we find out? From this number, if we subtract this 2309, we can get our answer. So first we have to write 8309. Next 2309. We have to subtract now. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. So in this box 6000 will come. So this is our answer. Now sixth sum. Page number 32. Create addition stories using the pictures and numbers given below. We have to create the word problem. Okay. First, cost of a blue bag is rupees 782. Cost of a red bag, blue bag, red bag is rupees 854. So what is the cost of two bags? Childbirth between 2017 and 2018 are given below. 5 districts childbirth they have given. We have to create the word problem. So how do we create? How many children are there in 5 districts? How many children are there in 5 districts? Seventh sum, fill in the circle using 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 and 1900 so that the three numbers along each line add up to 5000. We have to fill in the circle using this 5 numbers, 5 or 6 numbers. So in which order, if we arrange these numbers, we can get the answer 5000. Okay, listen. First circle, if we write 1900 and this side 1600, and if we add this two, what is our answer? 3500. So here 1500. If we write 1500, this total answer is 5000 will come. Next, here we finished 3 numbers. Next 3 numbers we have to take and fill this 3 circle. So here 1400. Now you add these 2 numbers. So our answer is 3300. So remaining we need 1700. So here 1700 will come. So here remaining, which number is remaining? 1800 is remaining. Now you add this 3 numbers. Our answer is 1500 plus 1800. So 3300 and 1700. So total answer is 5000. Okay, if any order if we add also, we can get our answer 5000. Okay, next, 8th sum. Fill in the box with appropriate number. 2051. And here another one number is given, 1732. This another one box they have given question mark. So this answer we want to find out. How do we find out? Yes, from this number to this number, if we subtract, we can get this answer. So 2051, 1732. We have to subtract from this number. So 1 minus 2, can we subtract? No, we can't subtract because this 1 is smaller than 2. So we have to take the borrow before the tens place. So here this 5 will be changed into 4 and this 1 will be changed into 11. So 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. Now 0 minus 7, can we subtract? No. So we have to take the borrow from the 1000 place. So here 1, this 0 will be changed into 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 is not a valuable. Okay, so our answer is 319. Next, write the missing numbers. Here 3 numbers are given. In that some numbers are missing. Now we want to find out the missing numbers. How do we find out? First this ones place, 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, 10. But that answer is 4. So here what number will come? Yes, 4. If it is 4, our answer is 14. So 4 we can write here and remainder 1 we can write in the tens place. Now we have, now if we add 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. But that answer is 7. So if we put 6 here, 17 will come. So 7 we can write here. Remainder 1 we have to put in the 100 place. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 is here. Remainder 1 we put in the 1000 place. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. But here 8 is there. So remaining we want 4. So now you add 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, is it clear? Next sum also same like that. So first 4 plus 1, 5. But our answer is 6. So we need 1. Okay, so our answer is 6. Next 7 plus 4, 11. But here 7 is there. So we need 6. Okay, so 10, 17. So 7 here, remainder 1 we have to write in the 100 place. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. But here 2 is there. So we need extra 5. So now our answer is 22. So remaining 2 we have to write in the 1000 place. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2 7, but our answer is 9. So we need 2. Okay, now 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. Okay students, in exercise 2.7 already we have done these 3 sums. Today we want to do the second sum, 8th sum and 9th sum in your max classwork note. Remaining sums, 3rd sum, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th sum, you have to do it in your book. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.